Yeah, good day, Africa people. Good day, my Nigeria people. I want to use the opportunity to emphasize something when we say need to be done. Brothers and sisters, Africa people, Nigeria people, Nigeria, my country, most especially those states. You know, I want to talk to all the police involved. As far as you be police, you understand? Because if you not work with judge nothing sit down for office, know wetin they play for the streets or for the area. Now we need to work honestly with the judge. Let judge know say this person a criminal. Not they look face, not they look face. Now waiting the people they vex for, waiting the masses they vex for. Not say this one is from a royal family or this one are from the politician Peking or whatever. No, everybody na equal. Whether a politician son, president son, president daughter, governor daughter, minister, whatsoever, any rank it may be, once they commit an offense, arrest them and bring them to justice. Because of say you people know they do that thing, now make all these people see una finish. And all these people you see now they free, they waka all over the world, carry money, even steal una money, our money, can go bank am for another country. They invest am for different kind of things. When we say no, in no level, in no favor you when you sit down there as police, when you get level, supposed arrest this person, bring am out to book. You allow am, you can't even they call am bros. When are you supposed to dey fear you, call you bros? Now the only thing when they vex most of the people be that now only poor people they respect una. Why all those people not they respect them? And now supposed to understand say we all are equal. As far as say the system is concerned, government is concerned, whatever you may call it, God, the creator of heaven and the earth is concerned, we are all equal in the presence of God. Why una when be say now supposed to they bring out, supposed to they discipline all these people? Whether na commissioner Pekin or in a commissioner himself, if you fuck up, discipline and bring out to book. If you like me pay all the whole money, if it happen for all over the world, you go pay all the whole money. They will still tell and say, guy, you know, get a B. Out of 20 years, you go chop 5 years. Now say a B. But on our own, the difference. Now just free all these people, overlook all these people. They misbehave. They insult you now, they persecute you now. Now when be police, when I get the power to bring them to book, to the judge, to the lawyer, to the law, may they face the judgment. And I will leave them. I will say this one are chairman, this one are this one are chief, this one are this is nonsense. Police make una wake up. And they beg una, and I beg who they beg now, for real. You understand? I know say una they intelligent. Most of una they intelligent. Una won't be the boss, una won't be oga. Me not play una game where how much all those people they embezzle, how much they steal, how much they invest, how much they get, how come? Una won't be police, they protect everybody, they protect even themselves. Una not get them. Wetin dey happen? They pay una 150,000 like say una be soldier go soldier come. The same way they make the parable, soldier go soldier come, go kill yourself or go kill yourself, go die or go die for no reason. And why those people wanna see they protect, they embezzle the resources of the country, of the full Africa country, Nigeria our country, including you dey look them. It don't make sense. Police, Mr. Police, it don't make sense. Wake up. This will not be saying an insult. And they talk to una based on say, I know say, no una, if you work with judge, you understand? For real. Don't be lying now. The truth need to be told. The fact is, now get the power. Now know everybody, poor or rich. Me I know they focus on the poor people alone. As now they focus on the poor people, masses. Me now they focus on those people, the leaders. Now they be the greatest criminal. Look of things, not be joke. Now what I just get to contribute for the country. Beg police, when I do my job well. You know understand? Now opportunity for una to just come up. When I see get level, now supposed to una level. Judge, make una also do una job well. Lawyer, make una do una job well. Not be lie. Me now they bring all those people to book. Whether na governor, na president, na senator, if you commit, bring down to book. And so it be for other part of the world. You understand? He go pay. Anyhow when he pay, he go pay and pay. He use money pay, he using his whole property to pay, all of the property to pay. Now so it be. He go pay. By the time they pay with their property, they will respect themselves for them not to fall victim again. That's why you see all those Oshomole, name them, many, Basanjo, all of them, they misbehave because now no arrest them, now not bring them to book. But innocent person will be say, poor person will be say no get level, now go arrest them for small mistake, even mistake, I go arrest them, sentence them 100 life in prison. Does it make sense? We couldn't think well, because this country they our hand. Na our hand it dey. If na go arrange am, na our hand it dey. You when be police, they watch me, and the truth be that. You when be judge, you they watch me, and the truth be that. You when be lawyer, and the truth be that. Not cause they allow those people, cause they oppress you. As they oppress us, they oppress you. Because you not talk, they go oppress you. They see they oppress you. Now one will be, and so it be. Not be lie now. They get poor lawyer and poor judge, and poor government and rich government. When I answer my question, I rest my case. I see remain Focus TV.